So guys, in this video what we'll be seeing is how to install Altair HyperWorks in your desktop. So in the previous video you would have seen like how to apply for license for in the Altair. Like Altair gives us trial versions for 1 year time in HyperWorks software. So after applying for license, after 48 to 76 hours, this is going to be the email from Altair after approving the license request. So they would have attached the DAT file at the bottom, and they would have given links to download the setup files. Okay, so this is how Altair mail looks like. So you can see like the installation package is being bundled. So if you click anything, the installation package for all these softwares will be given. So yeah, let me click on that, and yeah, you can see that it is started download. So I've cancelled it because I've already downloaded the license file and the setup file. So let us just open that setup now. Clicking on that setup. Yeah, click on S. So since it is a big software, it might take some time to install. Okay. So the installation is finished. So this is a general setup for Altair HyperWorks. Click on your OK. Now it will just run those pre-works and all before entering the setup. So yeah, accept the license file. In terms of agreement, click on next and make sure that it is going to be the C folder program files. Okay. And yeah, if you want your desktop shortcuts, then click on yes, or else yeah, it's up to you. And yeah, it will start install. Okay, let us begin the installation. So it has been installed, the setup has been done 100%. So now it will be zipping the files required and it will be expanding it. Okay. So yeah, the installation has been done. So click on done. Now what you should do is go for the setup file over here. That is on the C drive. So you go for program files and click on Altair. So this has in this folder. In this folder, what you should do is go for downloads. Copy that license file which you have downloaded earlier. So yeah, copy that, and yes, you can paste it over here so that the software opens. Click on continue. So click on search for HyperWorks Student Edition, the 2017 version, and and I think you can see like yeah, click on yes. Okay, and it has been given over here so that you can just vary it over here. See over here, advanced pre or post processing, hyper mesh. You can just switch it between. So this is how you will be installing HyperWorks, and thank you guys.